टीसीपी मंत्र्यान टीसीपी कायद्यांत सुचयल्ली दुरुस्ती आनी टीडीआराक गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो पुराय तेंको. तरतुदीचो अभ्यास नासतना कांय एनजीओ खंय वोगीच बोळा मारतात. टीडीआराक लागून वेल्यान वाठार हरीत उरूक आदार जातलो. ते भायर सरकारी प्रकल्पाक सुवात दिल्यार त्या जमनीवाल्यांक एक्स्ट्रा एफआयआर मेळटलो. तातूंत घोळ कांयच ना म्हूण गोवा फॉरवर्ड सांगता.
These concepts have been successful in the rest of India. TDR, there is a concept which is being used in developed countries like the US. Basically, to preserve the greenery is basically giving FAR to the landowner in lieu of land cost for a public project. So the concept which is being introduced is again for a public project only, so that the government does not have to spend for the public facility, and basically people get the facility without the cost to the government. And the third, which is the most important concept, and for which I say that we are proud to have this concept, it is a very unique concept, is a TDR for posterity. आमी फाटले जे सजेशन्स आनी ऑब्जेक्शन्स टू रिजनल प्लॅन पळयल्यात 80% सजेशन्स अशें आसता की म्हजे लँड जे सेटलमेंट ना ते सेटलमेंट करचे. Now what does this new concept say? This new concept says तुजी जर लँड आसा which is not developable, it will still have development rights. The government will give it development rights, a certain figure. These you can sell, you can transfer to a landowner who has land in areas where there will be sending and receiving areas. So receiving area ji mark zatli, thunche landowner will be able to buy these rights from you. So a owner of a green area, let's say owner of a private forest in Sange does not have to cut trees, does not have to get rid of greenery to get value for his land. He only has to sell his development rights, which somebody will buy, use those development rights in a developable area, and urta kite he land tashas urta. So basically the forest remains green. For a person who has a field, शेता तो शेताची डेव्हलपमेंट रायट्स विकता, तो शेत कसोच रावता. ताका जे पळय डिमांड आसा की इन्सेंटिवायज करचें, कीपिंग एरियाज ग्रीन should be incentivized. This concept is talking only about that. Is talking only about incentivizing of green areas, so that whatever part of Goa is green remains green. हे जो डिमांड एक्चुअली हे एक्टिविस्टा कडल्यान येवपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो जेन्ना आमी दितात तेन्ना ते ताका ओपोज करतात. हाजो अर्थ कितें? हाजो अर्थ these people actually seem to not know what they want.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.